A lot of people are making serious money from one simple strategy. They realize that the influencer industry has changed completely, and now they don't even have to show their own face. Instead, they're using AI to create highly attractive virtual personalities that follow trends, promote products, and even become the face of well-known brands, gaining millions of views with just a handful of AI tools. Google has noticed this shift too, which is why it recently launched powerful tools that let us create AI avatars for free and even turn them into realistic videos. I'm going to show you each step to do it, and even a way to make it completely unlimited. So, you just need to pay close attention and now without wasting any more time. Let's start the video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first open Google Flow and from here, click New Project. And inside this interface, in the left side panel, go to the Characters section. This is where we create the base of our project. We are going to design how our character will look. But don't make this mistake. If you use a simple prompt, you'll probably get a generic character that won't catch anyone's attention. I recommend you to create a proper character prompt using any AI text. And if you don't want to do it by this method, then you can just click any of these templates first. In the prompt section, Flow will automatically add a prompt that matches each description. Well, I am going with the prompt method. Now open any text AI. It can be a free one. First, paste the prompt. You will find this prompt in the description, and if you want, add a short description of how you'd like your character to look. If not, you can leave it like that and let the AI create the perfect prompt for someone eye-catching and click Generate. Once you have it, go back to Google Flow and then paste the prompt here and choose Nana Banana 2. Both image models are completely free and unlimited. You can test both, but I've been using this one. Click Generate, and a few seconds later, Flow will create the image. It gives us the kind of character we were looking for, but Google knows this is not enough. So click the plus icon, and it will automatically add our photo as a reference, along with this prompt. If we send it, Flow will generate our character from different angles. That way, when we make it do different things or turn it into a video, it will keep much stronger consistency. Now give it a name. And if you click here, you can also add the voice you want it to have when we turn it into a video. We'll see that later. With prompts, you can ask it to place the character in different situations, doing different things, or even holding an object that you upload as an image together with your original photo, so you can start creating ads. Once you have several, look for the best ones. If none of them convince you, keep generating, because this costs 0 credits and it is 100% unlimited. Now let's turn our images into videos. You can keep using Google Flow for video generation. It gives us enough to generate 5 videos a day. The credits refresh the next day.
I was generated entirely by an AI tool, and you can also create a realistic avatar just like me in only a few minutes.
But since I know you want to generate without limits, I'm bringing you another very powerful option. Open WAN AI. Here, you can create all kinds of images and videos completely free and without limits. Don't worry if you see the credit option, because we can turn it off. If it's turned on, it uses credits so the video generates instantly. But if we turn it off, the video takes a little longer to generate and it stays free and unlimited. So even if it takes a little longer, you'll be able to generate without a limit. Okay, let's create one video as an example. From here you can upload your character image. And then you can add prompt of how you want your character to move it. You can even have the object as another image to convert it in ad. And now let's click on Generate. And here is the result. You can see when created our full video clip for free. You can also do the same using the same method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.